We bought our house December 1998, and unfortunately, 2004, we had to put another roof on it. You would think asphalt shingles would last a little longer than 14 years. When we put our second roof on, we went back with the same architectural style shingles that were on it, and it lasted only 17 years. It became quite obvious that where we live, with the wind, the weather, the heat, the product we had on our house was not the best product. If a bad storm came by, the aggregate from the shingles would show up on our driveway the next day. And the F-way shingle that we were talking about putting on our house would resolve all of these problems. We were advised by Russ Miller. The F-way was a little more expensive. It did offer a much better product, and the more we looked into it, the more we were convinced it was the product we needed for our house. It's got a 50-year limited warranty on it, which is going to outlive me a long time. So I think it was a much better decision with a much better roof for our situation. One of the reasons we put the new shingles up was Premier offered a lifetime, my lifetime guarantee that they would fix anything that happened to that roof. And that is a fantastic warranty. We had a place in the front of our house that had a sag in the roof, and they went overboard coming back to fix that. And it looks just great now. And I would highly recommend Premier to anyone. As a matter of fact, the lady across the street recommended Premier to me. We've gotten so many compliments about how good the roof looks. I got a call just a couple of days ago, and I told him to give Russ Miller a call, and he could have one just like mine.